So I've got my 8-inch, 20,000 milliamp hour fan right here. Just to give you an idea of what 20,000 milliamp hours is. I recently purchased this to go on a vacation. Now this is 10,000 milliamp hours. I wanted something that was going to last all night on my cruise. And when I would wake up, I didn't want to wake up in the middle of the night with it going off and turning off. And when I would wake up after 8 hours with this, I still had 20% battery life left. This actually has twice as much battery life, so that I love it. It's got plenty of features, and there's a couple of features I don't see a lot of reviewers talking about, and I'm going to mention those. So right away, we've got a light up here at the top. It's got 3 different brightness levels. We got 1, 2, and 3. So this is great for camping. So you can see here the buttons are right here at the bottom. Super easy to use. Right now it's showing me I've got 100% battery life left, and when you press it, you can go up to 4 speeds. You see here it changes to 3 and then to 4. And then we also have a timer. We've got 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So I love that. Now it's also very thin. It's about 1 3/4 inch thickness. So this definitely fits in my suitcase really easily, especially I do carry on, so I need space is at a premium. It's 8 inches across here. Now, right here is your charging port, but this is also a power bank too. And if you'll notice, I got a little screw right here on this side, one on this side. If you take those screws off, they do provide a screwdriver to go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and pull this off, the screen off, and go ahead and clean the blades. So it makes it super simple. I want to give you a little demo to just show you how powerful it is. Right now it's just on 1. I'll go ahead and put it up to 4. Look at that. I take it off, falls down. It's got a lot of power, super strong, which I love. And then on the bottom side here, we've got 2 little feet, silicone, so that way it doesn't move around. And if you want to use this for camping, it has a metal hook right here. So you can easily just hang that up wherever you need to. And then that, along with the light, makes this super versatile. With 20,000 milliamp hour battery, you can use this really in low speed for up to 2 days. That's what makes it great for camping, or if you're just going to go out and go to the kids' soccer games, baseball games, I mean, you name it. Super easy to use with these buttons. Very happy with it, and I hope you found this review helpful.